Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you my program to calculate all the quantities in the substructure from the reinforced concrete footings and from the plain concrete footing columns neck, and also for the insulation for columns and footings, and also for steel calculations for footing and columns, and also for creating bar bending schedule, and also for creating shop drawing. It's an integrated program just for 2 clicks and everything will be done. Just here type FOTCOL, hit enter, then 2 Excel popped up. The first is the blank one containing all the quantity surveying and steel shop drawing, and the other one is containing the footing table which we have made in the previous video. You can check it in the description box. Then here he told me enter the excavation level, -2, slab on grade level in meter, positive 0.2, slab on grade thickness 15 centimeters, slab PCC thickness 0.1, cover 7 centimeter, select footing name, I'm gonna select this one, and column name this one, select bottom left corner here, the long direction X or Y, the long direction it will be in Y direction. Then as you see here, all the dimensions and all the concrete drawn automatically. This is a PC and this is a reinforced concrete, and also the distance from column in the both directions and also for column. And as you see here, the data automatically from the table. Okay, and then pick point for X section. The program will get X section here and Y section here in the long and short direction for the reinforcement and for the bar bending schedule calculations. I'm gonna put it here. As you see, everything is done automatically. And for the next direction, okay, this is also the same data, F5 over C1, F5 over C1, and here this is the bars and levels as we put, and this is a starter bar, and this is in the long direction and longitudinal direction and short direction, and this is a column, the stirrups of column, and this is a column, this is slab on grade, and all put in the separate layer regarding every element from reinforced concrete and PCC concrete, everything. Let's go to Excel and see what's happening. Let's have a look here in Excel. I'm gonna split the screen to share with you. This is regarding reinforced concrete footing, type F5. Okay, same dimensions here, 2.75, 2.75, and the other one is 3.5, and the height 6. Top level is the same, extracted here. All of this have done automatically without interference in anything. Also PCC automatically, PCC 370 multiplied by 2.95, here 2.95, and here also neck column concrete, column C1, here C1 0.25 multiplied by 1, and the height is 1.5, which is the difference between these two levels according to slab on grade level. And this is the explanation, also the description here, the 0 level and the reinforced concrete level. Here is the top level. Here this is a bar bending schedule. Bar bending schedule, bars for column and bar for footing. For footing, here everything put with the serial number 3 and 4. Here in the short direction 3 and 4, bar is 12, 24 piece. The unit weight A, B, C here, A, B, the same, and the total length. And also put in B1 the direction B1, and this in the T1, this in the T1, the same. And also for bars 5 and 6, for bars 5 and 6, it is the same, 19 piece, T1 and B2. For column, this is a starter bar here, 1, serial number 1, 18 bar, 20 diameter, and the length is the same. All of this have done automatically, and we will take this table to create bar bending schedule in a separate video. Here also the bar serial number 2, this is 3 stirrups here, as you see, 3, diameter 10, every 150, and also here it's written for stirrup. For the format we can fix it later. And also here, if we move forward, this is the insulation for reinforced concrete itself. This is all for it. For the bottom, insulation for sides, for the top, and the deduction for the surface area of column 1, this one. And also if we move forward here, neck column insulation C1, the length, width, height are the same. Let's continue and we will see. If I typed here the second one in the Y direction, as you see here, it's automatically put, and all the data PCC footing and the column neck. When we will go to the next one for the X section, here all of this data have done automatically without any interference. In the long and short direction, here as you see, this one will be in here for the main bar, and the secondary bar will become here, and three stirrups for column, 3 stirrups here, and this is the dimension of stirrup, and this is the dimension of bars for footing. And here it's continued, neck column 1, C1, and for bar bending schedule, for footing column bar C1 and footing F1, this is the next one separated. And also for insulation, this is number 2, and this is also for neck column insulation. All the data, all the things, just by 2 clicks. Let me continue all of this one and to show you what is happening next. After we have done all of these footings, this is all of the data here. This is the final quantity for reinforced concrete footing. And also we have here the full shop drawing for neck columns and the reinforced concrete footings and PCC. And everything, if you want to remove this hatch, just isolate it, all of this, put it in a separate layer according to its element. Here also we got the PCC footing automatically. We got the neck columns concrete automatically. We got the bar bending schedule for the whole entire data here, as you see. For each one, footing F1, C1, C6, F3, each one we have the steel quantity. It's really massive effort. You can't do it in this by just 2 clicks. Reinforced concrete insulation, this all for one F5, and this for F1, and this for F3, all of this according to the serial number in the drawing which we have. The neck column insulation also we have here. This is the final, and this also the final. Thank you for watching.